Hi, today we're unboxing and reviewing Slashop. It's a pet-friendly home brand. They have fur-free bedding like quilt sets and sheet sets. They come in all different colors. And for the living room, they have sofa covers, blankets and throws, decorative pillows and pillow covers, and they even have rugs. But not just rugs, spill-proof pet-friendly rugs. I mean, come on, we all need that. All of their stuff is super cute and super pet-friendly. They use fur repellent tech, which is very cool. Didn't know that existed. So we're gonna try that out and see how well it works. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so first we have the sofa cover. No fur, no mess. Put it to the test. This is so soft. It just drapes over the couch too. Couch or sofa, I guess that depends on where you grew up. I'm from the West Coast, we said couch. Okay, so we have the quilt first. It's incredibly soft and it has these tiny little florets, these details on there with no visible threads. So that makes it a little bit harder for cats to get their claws in. Flat sheet, fitted sheet, duvet cover, and of course the pillowcases. And the material is made out of bamboo, so it's incredibly soft and it feels cool. Feels very cool to the touch, and it's supposed to help with those hot sleepers, and that's kind of an issue when you share your bed with two very warm furry bodies. Okay, I think we're gonna start with the living room first because I'm tired of looking at it and it needs a little change. I have not even tried to tidy up for you guys. I'm just gonna tell you. In order to protect the couch from the cats, I have this very sturdy wool Pendleton blanket on the arm, and then I also have this plastic covering, which you can see is starting to come off. I have this on both sides. Okay, well, if this is not the most cozy couch, this is basically a giant plushie for the cats. This feels very luxurious. What do you think, Bubs? You look pretty cozy. And now I have the arms covered so I don't have to worry about any scratch marks on the sofa. What do you think? That's the living room. Now I think it's time to tackle the bedroom. Now we're in the bedroom and I have not made the bed for maximum contrast. So I'm gonna put the new sheets on, pillowcase, duvet cover, and quilt. Okay, everything is out of the dryer, fresh and clean, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to move you guys. They're on their heating pad right now because it's cold outside. Sorry. I gotta make the bed. I'll move you with your heating pad. Oh, gotcha. It also came out of the dryer, like not as wrinkly as they normally do. Has these really nice ties in the corners of the duvet cover. It looks like it has 8 of them, 1 on each corner, and then 1 on each side. So your comforter will be sure not to slip around. It also has a zip enclosure, which is really nice. I had this on my last duvet cover as well. I feel like it just conceals the edge a little bit better. That is actually so soft, I can't wait to get in. How cute is that? It gives it a very cozy texture. And like I said, the threads do not stick out, so it should hopefully last a long time. She'd be the first one to tear it up, I just know it. I think she likes it. Oh, big stretch. Hi. like it. She's a big fan of new bedding. Ready to go to bed? How cute is that? That just looks and feels so good. Cannot wait to crawl in tonight. What I'm most looking forward to is cool sheets, and again, they are very, very soft. I'm excited to go to bed tonight, and then tomorrow I will let you know about the hair. Did it stick? We'll find out. Okay, it's the next morning. So normally Liza sleeps with me here and Tuck sleeps with me there. I get this very little space. But as you can see, there's not a lot of cat hair on here. And to be honest, in my last bed set, I would find quite a lot of hair stuck to it. And this looks pretty good for all of us being big shedders. I'm not seeing anything crazy. I noticed like last night when I would get anything on it from like my sweater just being around in the day, it was really easy to brush off. So I think it just doesn't stick to it as easily. And I had a really good night's sleep because the sheets stayed very cool. Overall, I'm really pleased with everything. And if you've ever wanted to know what it's like to be really small and cuddle in between your two cats, just roll yourself in this. It's so cozy.